Hello, my name is Wojtek.
Marek
and Jacek.
We are a group of friends who share common idea in arts.
And in last December we decided to make a project together in the field of generative art.
And for this purpose we set up a research team at the university called
Beat Explorers.
And we are working on the project called
Transformer.
We're working in different fields of arts and specialization.
Surrealism, kinetic art and motion design.
game development, scripting and interactive visualizations.
Photography, multimedia and video art. Transformer is trying to change the profile of global economy.
Basically, the Transformer is making financial operations on stock exchange with real money. The main goal of the installation is to transfer the capital from fossil energy sources to renewable energy sources.
We design it in such a way that the complicated financial operations can be visualized in very simple and clear way.
The current state of the stock market is mapped into the mechanics of installation, but in the way that stimulates the imagination.
The most important thing of our installation is using the train mechanism to generate artistic expression. Normally artists using materials like sculpture, painting or photography, but we use something more maybe interesting and more complicated. This is trading mechanism, which transfer capital from fossil energy to green energy.
The transformer operates mostly in virtual world, but the effects of its actions can be visible through physical objects, like for example the different kind of pneumatic elements or mechanical stuff like pouring oil, water, glass, stone, etc.
The economics of trading seems not to be very natural for artistic topic, but in our view, in our opinion, this contradiction is quite interesting.
No a z nami są Beat Explorers Research Team w składzie Wojtek Kukuczka, Marek Straszak i Jacek Czarkowski. Dzień dobry panowie.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry, dzień dobry.
Dzisiaj wszystko może być obiektem sztuki, wszystko może być jej tworzywem i to jest interesujące, że niekoniecznie mówiąc o sztuce musimy mieć na myśli obraz olejny, fotografię czy jakiś linoryt. Tym tworzywem może być wszystko, nawet niekoniecznie coś materialnego, to może być idea, myśl, jakiś proces. No i tutaj to jest dla nas szczególnie intrygujące. Giełda, obrót kapitału, transfer towarów światowych to będzie naszym takim silnikiem, motorem, który uruchomi pewne zwizualizowane następnie procesy, które same w sobie mamy nadzieję, że będą trochę kontrowersyjne, trochę pobudzające wyobraźnię, a trochę też mówiące o świecie, o człowieku oraz o różnych procesach, które nas otaczają.
The project is quite complex and we are in the concept stage. So far we have the idea of how the whole thing may look. Also we've prepared the basic algorithm and the initial machine operation diagram.
Later, we plan to create a detailed technical documentation that will help us for creating the prototype.
Later, we will try to get attention different institutions which could support us.
We will then start the production. When the installation is ready, we plan to present it to the public. We wondered what form the transformer could take. We arranged several variants of space and elements that interact with each other. For example, on the left and right we have two opposing forces that divide the installation into bull and bear market. We tried to experiment with different visualizations. For example, we decided to make a giant pendulum which trading forces are influencing its movement. We thought of using glass, water and oil to visualize it. It should move in a way that describe the stock market situation. The other experiment was this giant glass object, and inside the body of it would be some mechanisms that are visualizing the process of transferring capital from fossil to green. The other attempt of the concept of which material are we going to use or how it would be look like at the end is this aquarium. Inside are two robots. One it's green, one it's red. So it's like bear and bull market. And they are fighting and struggling to survive in the environment, so that the visitor, the audience, could take deeper look on the financial market and influence the strength of one robot. In the very end, we thought that this attempt is the best one. Because it's quite simple and complex in one. You can see here two diagrams. One describes the situation of oil, of crude oil, and the other situation of renewable green energy sources. And in the middle is kind of a hinge that are moving accordingly to the operation that algorithm is making. So the decision that he's taking, and you can see that the process is kind of a dirty. In a way that there's a bit mess all around, and you can see the oil and everything. It's not so clean in the left side, and in the right side there's like a small garden which is more clean and pure. After analyzing the transformer's operation processes, many questions and controversies arise.
We have designed the machine to work to global ecology, but the process is not so clean and makes many doubts.
Isn't his mission activity cost too much? Don't we throw the baby out with the bathwater? Does the amount of energy devoted to the implementation of the green action not exceed its value? Are we able to use our imagination to explore the actual sense of many concepts of improving the quality of the environment? Are we able to find a sensible way to fight for the future of the planet in the maze of information and contradictory ideas? Is the carousel of activities that make up the actual ecological processes still possible to analyze? Are we not doomed to unclear analysis and messages of competing interest groups? Are we not deluded and lost in a maze of conflict ideas? Can we get rid of real raw materials from circulation through virtual transactions?